Collectability and restoration. Oval window Beetles, built between 1953 and 1957, are highly coveted by collectors from all over the globe. Most knowledgeable enthusiasts consider oval windows, especially those equipped with the huge sliding canvas sunroof, commonly called ragtop, to be the most desirable Beetles ever built. 57 Beetles were a significant evolution of the original design. It featured a larger engine, improved suspension, and a more comfortable interior. This made it even more popular with drivers and cemented its place as an automotive icon. Cultural icon. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle is more than just a car, it's a cultural icon. The rounded body, distinctive headlights, and rear-mounted engine are all design elements that have made the VW Beetle an instantly recognizable car, even after more than 8 decades. Affectionately referred to as a bug, the VW Beetle has also become a fixture in popular culture. With its affordability, practicality, and quirky style, the VW Beetle was the perfect car for a generation seeking to break free from convention and embrace a new way of life. Production and sales. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle was a defining moment for the iconic car, marking a new era in its production and sales history. That year saw Volkswagen ramp up production, with more than 1 million units rolling off the assembly line in Germany alone. This fine example, a sunroof sedan originally sold for $1,575. The popularity of the VW Beetle was reaching new heights, and it quickly became one of the best-selling cars in the world, especially in the US, where it gained a massive following.